Hello everybody, welcome back to another video. That would be Katlyn. Today, I got this ringtone app. Some of these I think are really cool and really funny. And you guys have to check them out. Yeah. It's called Zedge or something.
Oh, I know.
Let me show you what to do.
I do it on my phone because I need something.
You click a thing. And you click it, and you click the thingy, and then you click set as contact ringtone if you want that thing. But anyway, some of these are really funny. Let's get to some funny ones.
By the way, Holly got attacked by a mug.
Yeah, she got attacked. One of our dogs
neck was bleeding when
got
I
attacked.
got
She's
back.
still alive though. Don't worry.
Yeah, her neck was bleeding.
Pray for the puppy dog. Well, adult, old dog, whatever you call her. She's a Chihuahua. Right.
A mix.
I don't remember any funny ones. Alright, hang on.
I always show them a lot.
I don't know. This is old telephone. Mommy's calling.
It's your mother.
Oh, I have that.
Pick it up.
I have that.
It's mommy on the phone. Pick it up.
By the way,
Don't hide from me.
By the way,
you
in
can't
one
hide.
of the videos that I watch, it had that. Mommy phone calling. It had that.
Sweet Home Alabama.
What?
Sweet Home Alabama. You've never heard this?
No.
You need to get out more.
No. I get hurt every time I go out. You think I'm joking?
Katlyn's these days.
Cassidy's these days.
Katlyn's.
Cassidy's.
I even know. Yeah.
Your sister is calling. Your sister.
I like this one.
Mom! Mommy!
I got that one too.
Ma!
Mom!
Mommy!
Mom!
No!
Your brother is attempting to reach you on your cellular device.
This reminds me of Suicide Squad.
What?
This reminds me of Suicide Squad. The very beginning.
I don't even get it.
It's a movie.
Oh. I don't even watch movies.
Oh my gosh.
Oh my
It's
gosh.
my best friend calling me again. Something's wrong. This is only the 12th time. My best friend's called me all day. Yeah, best friends are cool because they know when you're sleeping, they know when you're awake, they know when you're leaving the house, they know when you're...
Nothing
Knock on your head.
Hey! Your phone is ringing! Pick up your phone! The phone!
The phone!
Yeah! The phone is ringing!
It's
I
ringing!
know you want to answer the phone. You better pick up the phone. The phone is ringing!
What?
Scooby-Doo.
Oh, there's a Scooby-Doo one too somewhere.
Yeah.
Your son is attempting to reach...
What?
Oh, I'm a gummy bear. Yes, I'm a
Well, everybody knows this.
No kidding. We used to watch it.
I believe I can fly.
Oh, by the way, on the movie on cats, about 5 cats, there was actually a cat that
I
was jumping
believe I
across
can
the
fly.
woods. There was a cat jumping across the woods and went random on the street, and it says that. It says, I believe I can fly.
What the heck?
I don't even know. Darth Vader. That's from Star Wars. What?
Ow. La.
Yeah, hey, look, you probably don't want to answer your phone because it's work calling again.
Yeah.
You think maybe just this one time they could make it without you. Maybe your boss should just get up off his butt and do the work himself. You're relaxing, you got the day off, the last thing you want to do is put on your uniform
Hey,
and go
can I
to
get
work.
my
So
mom
just
on
take
here?
my advice and don't answer the...
What?
Should I get my mom on here?
Sure.
Hey guys, I'm gonna call my mom. I'm gonna
What
put
the?
on
Why? That's not okay.
I'm gonna put on speakers too.
got beans, greens, potatoes, tomatoes, lamb. An idiot is
is attempting to reach you on your cellular device.
Nice.
Bad to the bone.
Da-dum, 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 da-dum.
Carry on my wayward son.
I'm about to whip somebody's ass.
No, that's a bad word.
Ringtones! Are you hearing that?
What are you doing?
We're dancing.
Ringtones! And we're all recording.
Mom, pick up the phone. Mom.
Your mother.
You guys are being too loud.
Wait, what?
Loud.
Okay, Cassie's phone's too loud.
Well, it's 40 below and I don't give a fuck. Got a heater.
Oh, wait. I like this one.
You call me.
If I gave more fun, Is Grandma with you? Is Grandma with you?
No, she isn't now because it's been over.
Oh. Make it
Ringtones.
even more funnier. That's why I called you.
Yeah, Caitlin's calling her mommy. You're on YouTube, Holly.
Yep.
Surprise.
Holly, my man.
I'm not a man.
You look
Your
like
cousin
on the
is a-
inside.
What?
Yo, little pig.
Shh.
No, I said.
Oh, wait. You haven't laughed this much in a while. Caitlin's mom said that we needed help. We don't need help.
Yeah, we are professionals, guys. What?
I like this. Woo. Wait.
Dogs out. Who let the dogs out?
Okay.
Jesus.
She already hang up.
That was so interesting.
I
wasn't
know.
it? Wasn't that interesting?
Especially Batman on drugs.
Wait, what? Do Scooby-Doo.
I don't know what the Scooby-Doo one is, but I
Like,
kind
type it. You can type it.
of. Well, hang on. I really like this one. It's kind of catchy. All right. She put ha into her mommy's phone.
Yeah, I'm texting. I'm probably going to do the same thing to my grandma so she knows what's going on.
Scooby-Doo's won't load. Oh well. Hey guys, that'll be the end of our video. Whoa! Wow! That'll be the end of our video. Hope you guys enjoyed. Make sure to like and subscribe. We will see you next time. Goodbye.